Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making some delicious, big, fat and juicy roasted walnut burgers. Let's go. The first thing we need to do is measure out 130 grams of ground chuck. This beautiful cut of meat comes from the neck and shoulder region of the cow and has a 20 to 80 fat to lean meat ratio, making it perfect for burgers and meatballs and any dish really that requires a nice fatty ground beef. Next, we're going to measure out 10 grams of roasted walnuts. These are walnuts I've roasted in advance. I roasted them by sticking them in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for 8 minutes and then letting them cool and then storing them in an airtight container. To use them in our burger recipe, we're going to give them a coarse chop and then mix them in with our 130 grams of ground chuck. Being careful not to compress the meat, we want to make sure there are lots of air gaps and air pockets within the burger patty because those air pockets will eventually fill up with melted fat and fat equals flavor. Once the burger patty is formed, we're going to bring it over to our preheated cast iron or stainless steel griddle pan. You can use a non-stick frying pan if you like, but non-stick pans usually don't get as hot as these bad boys do. While the man with the beautiful hands is toasting the buns, let's talk a little bit about what's happening to our burger patty. The first thing that happens is the fat starts to melt instantly and turn into these delicious juices which are then being absorbed back into the burger patty. But more importantly, because of the high heat, the proteins start to break down into smaller compounds and this causes this browned and charred and toasty flavor. This is called the Maillard reaction and it is what all burger makers are after. While the burger's been cooking, I've also added some aioli and some pickles to the bottom side of my bun. And then after exactly 2.5 minutes of being on the pan, I'm going to flip the burger and then hit the second side with salt. I seasoned the first side as well, but I did that off camera. Don't forget to season both sides of your burger. Next, we're going to add some sliced cheddar and then cover the burger for about 30 seconds. This will allow the cheese to melt. It's been about 2 minutes since we flipped. That means the total cook time is 4.5 minutes. That will give us a nice and juicy medium rare burger. If you want your burger cooked medium, I would give it an extra 30 seconds per side. So that means 3 minutes for the first side and then 2.5 minutes for the second side. You can top your burger with anything you like. I'm using some feta, some caramelized onions, some chicken liver pate. I'm going to hit it with some salt and add some fresh rocket leaves. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Burgers are something I'm really passionate about, and to be able to share these new and unique recipes with you is a real privilege. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and please hit that notification icon so you know exactly when I release my next recipe. Until next time, be safe, be happy, and eat well.